Hi everyone, we're back and today we're making stuffed shells. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook 1.5 pounds of ground beef or protein of your choice and drain excess liquid if necessary. Once meat is mostly cooked, add half a chopped onion and cook for about 3 minutes or until translucent. Then mix into your ground beef. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, cook for about 30 seconds, then mix into your meat. Add salt and pepper to taste. Okay, here we're adding about 32 ounces of pasta sauce to our meat. Then we'll allow it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now cook your shells according to package instructions. We're making 20 stuffed shells, so we cooked around 25 shells just in case some broke. Next, remove your al dente shells from water and set aside to cool. To 16 ounces of ricotta cheese, add 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, half teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, about 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 1 egg, and mix well. Spoon a thin layer of sauce onto the bottom of your 9x13 baking dish. Next, fill your cooled shells and place onto your baking dish. You can spoon the mixture into the shells or use a piping bag, whatever's easier for you. This mixture is enough to make about 20 stuffed shells. Continue placing your filled shells onto your dish. Add the desired amount of your meat sauce to the top of the shells. We prefer a generous amount on ours. Cover and place into oven to bake for 30 minutes. Remove from oven and add slices of mozzarella cheese to the top. Return to the oven uncovered for about 15 minutes or until cheese is melted. Allow to cool and you are ready to serve. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!